Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but we're not going to talk about that today. Okay, my hair is a mess. We're here to try out the new Tracee Ellis Ross pattern collection. So, purchased the On The Go kit, which includes the shampoo, conditioner, and the leave-in. Also, I purchased this kit from Ulta for $24, but I'm a platinum, so I had a 20% off coupon and I had points, so I only paid like $15 for it. So, but yeah. I really wanted to try this line out, and it's perfect because my hair is a mess. This is an old. When I say old, I mean like 2 weeks old, wash and go. I was sick. Couldn't do anything with my hair. My hair has been up in a puff for about 2 weeks because I was sick. So I'm still surprised that you can even see any of my curls. Like, they're a little bit there, but my hair is ultimately dehydrated. Sorry if I'm looking over there, but my monitor's over there. I'm just making sure I'm in focus and stuff. But yeah, my hair is like very dehydrated. Like I said, it looks off black, and if you know me, my hair is like really dark, like close to black. So right now it looks ashy and it's in need of moisture. So yeah, my hair is super natural. I've been natural for what, 4 or 5 years now. I don't even remember anymore. I lost track. But never colored my hair, so I don't have to worry about color safety. This is its natural state. I'm gonna read you guys some of the details on the back, and it just says like moisture and definition for traveling curls. I guess that's why it came in this like travel set. And then it says embrace your gorgeous, rock your pattern, Tracee Ellis Ross. This is how the products look. They all came in like 3-ounce bottles, travel size. Now they did have these sold separately, and they were $9 a piece for these weird items. But I went to 2 different Ultas for this kit because I'm like, I want the kit because it's cheaper. It's $24 for 3 instead of paying $9 a piece. So the kit includes the shampoo. She has 3 different conditioners. The conditioners are set up for your curl patterns. So from what I saw in the store, it looked like it was set up by hydration level. Like the tighter your curl pattern, the more hydration there was in the conditioner. So in the to-go kit, they included the heavy conditioner, which I'm really grateful for because like I said, my hair is very dehydrated. So my curl pattern is probably, if I were to purchase the conditioner on my own, like not in a kit, I probably would have got the one for curlies and not for coily and tight textures, which is this one. Just because that is my curl pattern, to see the difference. But because my hair is dehydrated, I'm glad it's this one because my hair could use some TLC, a lot of love right now. So we're gonna try that out. And then it also included the leave-in conditioner in the yellow packaging. Is for all curl types. So it just says curl, great for curlies, coilies, and tight textures. It's a cute little bag. You can keep this traveling. Yeah, cute. I'm gonna go wet my hair so we can get started, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. My hair is wet. We're gonna do the shampoo. Oh wait, everything is sealed. It's not that thick. The consistency is kind of runny. This is not gonna be enough. Oh, oh wow, it's like lathering up already. But mind you, my hair is super dirty. I'm heavy-handed when it comes to my hair and products. It feels really good though, and I like the way it smells. It feels like it's like really cleaning my hair. I have to like focus on my ends and my roots. It looks like it's cleaning. just trying to like get the product in my hair. Not to mention, you guys, but my hair is pretty tangled. I can already tell that it's like really hydrating my hair because my curls are starting to bounce back and shrink. Alright, I'm gonna go wash this out and I'm gonna come back. So I'm back. I washed the shampoo out. Like how my hair feels. It's super moisturized. My curls are bouncing back. I'm back hydrated. Like already. Wow. My hair like still has that smell, so that's really nice. Everything came with sealed, so I have to take the sealing off of it. It's sealed, that way I know it hasn't been tampered with. It's fresh. I'm the first one using it. Squeeze it out. Oh, this one's thick. Look. It's thick, like a cream. It's heavy. This is like heavy. Like I gotta do like this to get it to come out. It's moisturizing. And she had like mega sizes of the conditioner with the pump on it, so if I like, I think it was like $42, so if I like it, that's great, because I love conditioner with a pump, because squeezing this out and you see how heavy it is a piece of work. And I'll probably use this whole bottle between 2 uses. It's hard to like distribute it because it's so heavy, but I can tell, I don't mind it because I can tell that it's super moisturizing. It's pretty thick. And the conditioner has that same smell as the shampoo. I'm not really fond of smell, so I can't tell you like exactly what it smells like, but I can say that it smells like a shampoo and conditioner. Like it has that type of smell. Like it's still like a nice fragrance. Oh yeah. I can tell. I just said oh yeah, but I can tell like it's super moisturizing because my curls are shrinking. So after I finger detangle, this is my normal wash routine, but after I finger detangle, I usually go in with my Denman brush and just detangle it a little bit more. You'll see that? I probably put too much product. So usually when I wash my hair, like after I put the conditioner in and detangle it, I'll put a cap on and sit for like 10 minutes just so that my hair can soak up the conditioner, and sometimes I'll like put a deep conditioner in with it and let it sit for just like 10 minutes. It feels like really good, and it's really easy to detangle my hair, so I'm happy about that. I can definitely tell that this conditioner was made for like people with tighter textures because it's thicker and it feels kind of heavy on my hair right now, but I don't mind it because my hair was super dehydrated. It's been like 20 minutes. I let my hair sit. So I'm gonna go wash this out and come back and we'll do the leave-in conditioner. I'm back. Y'all, my hair, it feels so soft and oh my god. Yeah, that was great. That was great. Like my hair feels so moisturized and soft. Wow. It's not ashy anymore. There's a here. So we washed the conditioner out. Last thing in the kit was the leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner says it's great for curlies, coilies, and tight textures, so I'm guessing that's everybody. Velvety leave-in conditioner that seals curls with a replenishing moisture lotion to combat dryness and enhance curl pattern. And all of her stuff, it says refillable for the eco-friendly curly. So I'm guessing you could like keep this container and refill it with a bigger bottle, because it's a pretty sturdy container. I like to separate my hair in 4 sections. Got my little clips just to make it easier for me. And I'm just using like these little banana clips. I don't know what they're called. Hair clips. You know, you get them from the beauty store. Oh, her line, she also had a hair clip with her line too, and a detangling brush. But of course it was sold out. I seen it online. It looked pretty good. The detangling brush looked like a regular dimming brush, just like, it looked a little bigger though. Like one of these clips, but a little bigger and fancier. But it was sold out at both Ultas I went to, so I didn't even get to see it in person. Like, they barely had anything. Like, the kit I got was the last kit on the shelf. Wow. I just keep running my fingers through my hair because it's so soft. Like I said, everything came sealed, so. Oh, this one's a lighter consistency. Tell like it has slip to it. The way it's like rubbing together on my hands. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's pretty light compared to the conditioner. Wow. And it smells the same. It smells a little bit lighter than the conditioner and shampoo, but it has that same smell. Dimming brush and just comb the product through. That way it's like evenly distributed through my hair. I always start at the end because that's where your hair needs the most moisture. It feels really nice and light. Wow. I like the way it feels. I can tell that it's not gonna leave like a residue because the way it feels so light. The pattern line doesn't come with the gel, so eventually I hope she does come out with the gel for curly girls. Natural girls do use gels, whether it be to hold your hair in place or keep your wash and go. Still gonna put a gel in my hair because my hair is gonna frizz up if I don't. And that's with any product. So I'm gonna use my own gel. You see where my hair is now, like touching my shoulders. My hair is probably gonna shrink all the way up to my ears into a bob. That's how it does. Yeah, look at my hair. It just feels so lightweight. That's what I love about it. Like, it doesn't feel heavy, but it's still moisturizing. That's the best part. Even as like I'm putting my gel in my hair, and I'm just using regular Eco Gel, the argan oil one. This one. As I'm putting my gel in, it's still like not clumping up, leaving any residue. I don't like wearing my hair all out. So I probably will like pull it up in the front and leave it out. And I'll come back later just so you guys can see how my hair looks dry. So I really like that it's no residue, it doesn't feel heavy. Wow. Okay, Tracy. Okay, Mama Ross. She did it. She did that. I'm gonna come back later and show you guys what it looks like dry. But like, look, I'm super impressed of how it looks right now. Like, my curls are defined and out here shining, hydrated, living their best hydrated life. Like, wow. I know y'all see that. Like, my hair is hydrated and lightweight. Like, y'all can't tell me nothing right now. Like, what? Wow. Y'all see this definition? Y'all see it? Look at that. My baby hairs. I just did my baby hairs. I'm about to go out. Not anywhere special, but just to spruce it up a little bit. So I'll try to come back a little bit later just so you guys can see my hair dry. It's probably going to shrink up to my ears. You see it's down to my shoulders right now, but it's probably going to shrink back up to my ears. Dry. Right now it's still lightweight. It's still defined. We'll see how much movement and bounce it has. But for right now, it's still defined. And I like it so far. I just really like it. And the smell's not overbearing. It's at a nice price point. I would definitely repurchase. Hey y'all, so I'm back. And my hair is like, I would say like 90% dry. It's just not dry in the middle, like towards the roots, because that's where it's thickest at. But everywhere else is dry. As you can see, it shrunk. Not a lot, but significant. Compliments. I went out and people were asking me how to get my hair so defined, so that was a good thing. I just hope she comes out with a gel, that way I can use all her products. But yeah, curious to see like how long it will last, like the definition will last. But the shrinkage is real, but it looks good. Very defined. And it's still really soft. I love that. There's movement. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Leave in the comments if you're looking forward to trying these products, or if you're thinking about trying them, or if you've already tried them. Let me know down below. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I hope you guys go out and try the product, try it for yourselves, because you know everybody's hair is different. So go try it for yourself. Let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Let me know in the comments if you missed my presence. I'm trying to get back on YouTube, so I really appreciate you watching. If you stuck out the video this long and watched me, thank you. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. Let me know in the comments if you miss me. You know, let me know, because that's motivation. That'll help me keep pushing these videos out. So let me know down in the comments if you're watching, and if you miss me. Let me know. Let me know if you like these curls, because I'm loving them.